Hello there. This video will show you how to change the VAT settings in Controller from 15% to 17.5%. As you know, the new VAT rate takes effect on the 1st of January 2010. So start up your controller system, as you can see here on the screen, and bring the cursor down to Services and Prices, and go down to the second option, which is VAT Table Maintenance, and press Enter. You'll get a little warning message. It'll come up on the screen just to remind you of the settings that you should be using in Sage, so you can just press Enter through those. And then you'll come up with your VAT band selection. So as you can see, we have VAT here set at 15%. So to change it back to 17.5 or change it from 15 to another percentage, just highlight it, press Enter, and you'll see it comes up with the current setting, in this case 15%. So we can change that to 17.5. You don't have to change any of the other settings. They will remain the same throughout the use of the program. Hit Escape and you'll see that it has now retained the new change. We've got one more to change here. We can change that to 15%. Hit Escape again and you can see that the new settings have now been changed to 17.5%. It's worth just scrolling down the screen here just to make sure that you haven't accidentally set up a VAT band which is not shown initially. The bands go all the way down to 99, so just check that they're all correct. They should all be set to 0. So once you've done that, you can just press Escape. You'll get a little message reminding you that VAT is calculated at the time of invoicing, not at the time of the booking. So you might not need to do this until you actually come to do your first invoice run of 2010. So that's how you change the VAT rate. I do recommend that when you do your invoice run, that you actually check that your VAT is correct. So I'm going to just produce a invoice for you here and show you how to check that the VAT is correct before you actually commit to doing the invoice. So I'm just going to do a very brief invoice run here. I've put a job in. If I just go to the dispatch screen and have a look at our awaiting invoicing a purge, I've just got a very simple job here from a place to a place, and I'm just going to change the price to £100. Come down, put that in the quoted box just to make the VAT calculation correct. So first of all, I'm just going to check that this figure is 17.5%. But again, remember that the VAT is only calculated at the time of invoicing. So even though this might say 15 here, you may not have actually changed your VAT settings. So this isn't terribly important. It just gives you an indication of what the VAT should be. So I'm just going to save this job out and just produce an invoice. So customers and invoices, invoices and credit notes, all bookings, invoices. You'll be familiar with this. And now I'm going to check. I'm going to select the check invoices section, and I just want to check that the net charge, which is £100, which is what I expected, and the VAT is running at 17.5%, which gives us a total. So that tells me that the VAT is being calculated at the correct amount. So I do recommend that you check this at the time of actually doing your invoice run so that you can be sure that your VAT is calculated correctly. So I'm just going to abandon out of here. So that summarizes the VAT changes. Just remember that you must change them before you do your first invoice run. Thank you.